This section of the DevTest Product Expert Training will cover using the DevTest Planning View. Specifically in this section, we'll look at the features of the DevTest Planning View, including the test execution tree, the test coverage tree, the list view, as well as the summary reports. The first thing you'll notice when you look in the planning view is that in addition to the green tree that's found in the test library, we also now have another tree that represents your test execution. The test execution tree is made up of a number of different folder types, and all of them are used to manage and organize your test execution. In addition to the root folder, which can be renamed by double-clicking on it in the planning view, we also have product folders, release folders, test cycle group folders, and test cycle folders. The product folders in the tree are used to organize your projects at the highest level. They often refer to either a project name or a product name. The release folders represent a specific version or release of a product or project. Test cycle group folders can be used to organize test cycles or builds into iterations or other meaningful groups. And lastly, we have test cycles, which contain the test cases that testers will be executing. As I select different places in the test execution tree, I can use the test library tree to further filter what tests I see in the list view and down below in my summary reports. There are a number of different summary reports that can be used to help you plan what test coverage should be run next. We have a summary report that will just show basic data about the highlighted execution folder filtered by the test library folder. We have the team tab, which will allow you to see data by team member, so that I can click on any point in the tree to see the latest information about what a particular team member, how many items have been assigned to them, how many have been completed, and so on and so forth. The environment tab will show you a breakdown based on environment if you're using environment variables. And finally, the test coverage tab will allow you to see how many generations of a particular test case have occurred in a particular release, test cycle, or even for the whole product. Down below, we have the option to view either task data alone or the task data including verification point data. Just like the other views in DevTest, the DevTest Planning View allows you also to sort which tests are listed in the list view by team member, by status, or you can build a query to view specific test data based on more refined criteria.